in this video, I am going to show you the whole journey from beginning to end with getting my store together, set up, renovated, all of the things. So if you are interested in seeing where we started, where we came, for context, I got the keys to the location on like September 1st. It might have been like August 30th or something, and I opened my doors officially on October 1st. So it's about a month that I took to create this space that I'm in love with, I think is wonderful. So I'm very proud. It was so much hard work. I want to share with you this entire journey, and we're gonna sit down in my seating area. So this is just vlog footage from beginning to end, shopping, cleaning, decorating, progress. So I hope you enjoy it. You can visit us at 220 Plum Street, Suite 450. It's in Edinboro, PA, 16412. You can also visit us online at tmwigs.com, and you can participate live if you aren't local or you can't get down to the shop on our weekly live sales on YouTube. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. furniture in the back.
Ooh, is that there?
Yeah. Wow. Okay, so this is the update. I added these 2 trees on the other side of the door. You can see the painting is still there. We have the ladies in the window, so it's starting to shape up. I'm gonna be doing all of the chalkboard signs today. So we have the carpets in here. That's gonna be the sign that goes like out in the hallway. So we got our little displays of everything. We got lighting now, we have art. These are so beautiful and they're like made of yarn, oh my gosh. So I got my salt lamps out. This stuff came from Home Goods that already had Amazon. All of these came from like TJ Maxx, Marshall's, Home Goods. And then most of the furniture came from Hobby Lobby or Home Goods. And so I have these 2 in the front. I got these new mannequins. We're waiting for one more to go on the bottom, which is more like male looking, which I love. And this beautiful girl is new. Oh, so pretty. So this is the front part, and we've got all these different, I got a bunch of new mannequins. I'm not gonna turn these ones around, but I'll show you when I get to them. She's new, look how beautiful her face is. It's just so pretty. So yeah, we got all this. Here's some more art. I'm gonna be doing these signs, these chalkboard signs here. I had to get these sort of custom mannequins to be able to fit on the shelf because they're just a certain size. So we have all those full up now. I got a bunch of my old glasses. Like I used to just wear glasses for fashion. So I have a bunch of those I'm putting on the mannequins because people wear glasses, okay? This is some more of that art. It's all like yarn, you can see how gorgeous that is. We got these ladies right here. This is one of the new style mannequins I got. So pretty. And also her. And we have this area here. That's my office that you can see through here. That's the one room that's not done. In the back isn't completely done. So we're all set here. I'm gonna put some things out here and there. We got this cute mirror that's like a window, but it's also a mirror. And I got a couple more heads coming. They'll be right here. This is where you sort of check out. I can flip this over and people can check out. So that's cool. This is, you know, the area where we do the fitting. We got these really cool lights that I just had installed. We got those from IKEA. And then I just put the garland up. Ooh. We just put this up. So we have this space here. So beautiful. The lace stick and the like my brows will be here. This is for all of the books that you can look at with different wigs. This has like the synthetic hair accessories and some other stuff under here. This isn't completely done yet, but almost. We got our lashes display. I got this light here at Home Goods. I love it so much. Desk is getting finished up. And it's one of these like rolling chairs, so that's pretty. We're waiting for one more mannequin for right there. We got the art that matches the window in the front, which I love. See, my office is messy, but this will be my office. The doors have to be put on. And this is where the live sales will be. So that's just not put together yet. This is the rest of the hallway. So pretty. This is actually more of a vintage mannequin and she spins. So that's beautiful. Here's another one of those paintings. The light, got this art, and another one of those mirrors that's like a window. And then this is the private room. And so we have our mannequins. There'll be another mannequin going here. They just haven't shown up yet. We got the tall mirror. This is the cart that I'll use to like help people out. You know, like when I go in the back, if you have like, you know, any accessories or wigs, we just put them on there. So this is on wheels. So I'll just roll this to the back, get everything you need, and then roll it back out to help you. And then this is going to be an area with the photography backdrop right here so that you can take pictures when you're done. If you want, either I'll take pictures of wigs just to take pictures of wigs, or if you want to have a picture in your wig and you want a nice little backdrop, they'll have this setup will be here for you. So that's that. Not sure what I'm doing with this wall yet. I want to get the door up here first to see really what it looks like with the door. And then I'll probably put a couple of shelves here and maybe there. I'm not really sure, or there. But I have some additional shelving that isn't up yet. But yeah, this is what the store looks like. Just waiting for a couple more mannequins. Then we'll start putting the hair on, and we will start putting out all the rest of the tools and products and accessories. And so we're opening our doors a week from tomorrow. So let me know what your thoughts are. Okay, bye. Okay, so we're here. It is the opening day of my store, Tia Maria Wigs. I'm so excited. Let's go in and check it out, and I'm gonna give you a little tour. Okay. All right, when you come to the store, you're gonna see these beautiful 2 trees. I was hoping to have it be very welcoming and engaging. We have the beautiful painting on the windows by a local artist, Ray the artist, so that's very exciting. We got these beautiful girls waiting for you. Let's go on in. Oh my goodness gracious. This is the store, and I'm gonna go ahead and shut the back door so you can get the full view of everything. We also do all of our shipping and receiving for all of our online orders out of here as well. But you're gonna walk in and you have all of these amazing wigs to look at. We have extensions, we have products here. I'm gonna do all of the chalkboard signs today. And these are our lovely ladies here. All of the furniture I got basically from Hobby Lobby and Home Goods. So we have a gorgeous setup here. These are our Aesthetica wigs. Aesthetica is a brand that we carry. We do carry 30 brands, but Aesthetica we work very closely with, along with a few others. We have these beautiful girls right here, and we have some more tools, accessories. We also have fun accessories. So even if you're not into wigs, we have these synthetic hair accessories. You want a little ponytail situation going on, need some clips, you want some sort of gift, then we have those for the people in your life that like those types of things for their hair. So we have these beautiful different accessories here. We do have the headbands from Christine Headwear. They're made with bamboo. Anybody can wear them, but they are made for people if you have any type of sensitive scalp or anything like that. In here is actually my office that you can see through this open window, and I still will be doing live sales twice a week on my YouTube channel, and this is essentially the live sale setup that you're seeing back here. See, we have all kinds of accessories. It is October, which means it's breast cancer awareness, and so we do have some accessories here. It's also Halloween time. We got some Halloween stuff going on right here. I did have glasses and things to some of my mannequins because, you know, some of us wear glasses, and so I want you to be able to get a look at how the wig can look with the glasses. And also we can show you how to wear glasses with wigs, because for some people that can be a challenge. And so we do have this wonderful seating area. I put this here on purpose because a lot of times I want to have a conversation. I want to see what you really want, what you really need. And oftentimes we're coming to wigs because of some type of health related issue. Maybe we need a support system with us. So there is an area for them to hang out, to support you, and for us to just chat and really see what you need. Then we have this area here, which is all just accessories, wig grips, some more types of wigs. Again, this is my little office here, so you can see, you know, the setup for the live sales is on one side, and then just my office is on the other side, so that I can help you out no matter what. And we have some beautiful things back here. I got all this art from Home Goods, and the lights here are from IKEA. This is the back area. I'll show you in a minute. We have a main area up here, but we also have a private fitting room, a private consultation room. So if you don't want to be out in the open, we do have this private area. Hey. that you can come in. And then if you find your wig that you absolutely love, I do have this background set up. These switch around so that you can get your picture taken and have a beautiful picture in your new wig. So we do have that as well. I'm gonna fill these baskets up today. And then the main area here is where the magic happens. This is where we would do all your fitting out in the open. I love these two signs. There's two in my office too, and they match the doors in the front, the painting in the doors in the front. I got those at Hobby Lobby. And yeah, so we just have a bunch of fun little stuff. You can sit right down here. We'll get you all fit up. And it's just awesome. We have lashes. There's going to be some like travel kit stuff here. This is all my backup things. We have fun, just little accessory type stuff. We do have the My Brows here. I'll have my little music on. Can't put it on now in case this goes on YouTube and you don't want to get copyright struck. We do have catalogs and stuff. This will all be full as well with accessories. And I also have catalogs over here, just like if you're going to the hairdresser, there's a bunch that you can look through in case you're not quite sure what you are looking for. So yeah, this is what we've got going on for the store. I hope to see you soon. We are at 220 Plum Street, Suite 450 in Edinboro, PA, which is 16412. You can call 814-853-5209 for an appointment. And we are really excited. Okay, so that's what I have for you. Bye.